Should I remortgage with my existing mortgage lender? In this video, I'll cover that off for you. My name's Dan and I'm a qualified mortgage and protection advisor. This video is purely for educational purposes and is not advice, and I must stress your home may be repossessed if you do not keep up with the repayments of your mortgage. Now with that out of the way, on with the video. Something I occasionally get asked is, should I stay with my existing mortgage lender or should I switch? And will they offer me any customer loyalty? Once your current rate expires, whether it's a fixed rate or tracker or whatever rate that you're on, you'll fall onto the lender's standard variable rate. Now, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. Sometimes it can be cheaper, but it can also be more expensive. So you really need to actually start looking at other lenders and what their options are and their interest rates and whether or not you can actually move away. So I strongly advise you carry out research, and if it's all a bit too much for you, contact a mortgage professional. They do this every day. They'll know very quickly whether or not you should be moving your mortgage across to a different lender or staying with the same lender. Whilst lender loyalty does exist, it can also pay to actually look at the whole market and see what they have to offer. But one thing I would say to you is, do not make multiple applications. If you take a throw the mud at the wall until it sticks approach, it's only going to end badly for you. You need to carry out your research properly before submitting a mortgage application. Just because you've been with a lender for a period of time, it doesn't mean that they're going to be the cheapest option for you going forward. Now, they may waive the product fee or the application fee, and that's great, but without looking around, there could actually be lenders on a lower interest rate who, whilst they charge an application fee or a product fee, the overall costs over a 2-year or a 5-year period could be cheaper. You've got to kind of treat it like you would with your car insurance or your mobile phone contract. You wouldn't just let that roll over. You would be shopping around for a new deal. And, it's imperative, to be honest, not to just fall in the trap of staying with your existing lender. Now, again, this isn't advice. You need to speak to a mortgage professional. They will work out and look at your circumstances whether or not it's actually best to stay with your existing lender or whether or not you should move away. You've got the whole market to explore, so why not explore it? Whether or not you understand the market really well, I still recommend that you actually speak to a qualified mortgage advisor. And the reason why I say this is, from time to time, they actually get access to exclusive rates and favourable affordability calculations that are simply not available if you were to apply direct to a lender. So in terms of your research, again, even if you think that actually you know what you're doing, it's still worth just getting a second opinion from someone who operates in the industry every day. Now, this is going to sound like I'm telling you off, and I'm not, okay? But staying with your existing lender just because you want to save time or you're being lazy, it's not really an acceptable excuse. If you are worried about time, speak to a mortgage advisor. They're going to be very quick at processing your application. They know exactly what you need to do, and they'll basically do it as quick as they possibly can. Please put in the comments below. I'm not sure how many people would actually confess to this, but have you ever tried cutting corners or actually believed that lender loyalty pays and not shopped around? I kind of want to get a general consensus of what everyone's thoughts are on this. So like I say, please put in the comments below. If you want to watch a video on parents and how they can help you get on the property ladder, please watch this video. And if you want to watch a video on self-employed mortgages and ways to get one, please watch this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon. It will notify you of any new videos that I do.